Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at MPG Autos. They have a 1995 Buick Roadmaster wagon. It's a 3-owner car. Second owner only owned it for about a year. It's really just driven in the summer. Super straight body. Brand new Michelins all the way around. No rust. Runs and drives great. Get in and turn the key. Doesn't need a thing. So the original window sticker, sales brochure, and hangers that came with it originally. Nice big lofty bench seat up front. Split.
With the goal of sowing discord and division in America.
87,880 miles. Dash is perfect. It just has a cover on it to protect it. Second row sunroof. It also has a trailer package on it. It's a special trailer package. It's about 1,200 bucks. Also has the heavy-duty cooling. Gives you the cooling on the transmission. And extra cooling for the motor and components. Even have the original packet that it came with from the dealer. Man, look at that. All the hangers and everything. Original bill of sale. Pretty cool. Here's your options. It's got the luxury option package, trailer towing package, which is a big option back then. Full-size spare, limited slip axle, and no third row on this one. Can you pop the hood? She is. Fuel injected 5.7. Basically a Corvette motor in here. Looks great. Drive one of these, you'll probably want to drive another. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Michael from MPG Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.